So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas here, and now I will go to elements, and here I will search orange juice bottle. Okay, so after searching that I will go to photos. So I will use this photo, the first one, and I will just duplicate it and paste it in the same layer, and after that I will just crop out this part, and in the next layer I will crop out the upper part. Okay, so cropping out is done. Now I will tilt it here like this and move it slightly upward and this one slightly downwards, and after that here I will search orange sliced, and here I will choose this image, and after that I will just use the background remover so that I can remove the white background in the image, and after that I will just use this orange part. Okay, and I will just crop out the parts which are not required. After that I will tilt it according to our design, and here I will just adjust it accordingly. Okay, so adjustment is done for here. Now I will just duplicate it and I will rotate it again to the other direction, because here is the bottle in the other direction, and now I will tilt it again. And I will adjust it accordingly, and when the adjustment is done, now I will go here again and I will type in here orange splash. Okay, and from here I will go to graphics this time, and I will use this image, the second one, and I will just bring it here and paste it accordingly, and after that I will just duplicate it, okay, and paste it again. Now I will just crop out the upper part, and in the lower part I will just right click it and send to back. Okay, so this design is done. Now I will just select this design again and duplicate it and paste it here, and duplicate it again and paste it here, so that this part is showing the left part and this one is showing the right part. Okay, and after that I will write here again orange sliced, and go to photos and scroll down to find this image, and I will just make it smaller. Okay, and as you can see it also has a white background here, so I will just remove the background. Okay, and paste it right here. Okay, and after that I will just go to edit, and I will select here blur, and I will go to whole image, and here I will select 40. Okay, so blur part is done. Now I will do back and I will duplicate it. Okay, and I will use the duplicate part right here. Okay, and after that it's time for us to change the background, and I will go to background color and I will select this color for my background, but I will click here and I will select gradient, and here I will select white color. Okay, so I will just bring it right here and I will just revert it. Okay, and I will select this circular gradient. Okay, and this is the color. Now I will work slightly on the color shade to be precise. Okay, slightly a bit more orangish. Okay, and this is the perfect shade which I was looking for, and this one is done. Now I will go to elements again, and here I will search green leaves, and here I will go to photos, and I will select some green leaves from here, and I will just use it right here to increase the depth of the image. Okay, and after that I will use the text here. So for this I will click on add a heading, and here I will write orange. Change the text color to white, and after that just make it bigger. Okay, and after that go to FX, click on lift, and the intensity will be fixed to 50. You don't have to change it. Okay, and after that just duplicate it, and here write fresh, but change the size here to 42, and just keep it right here, and duplicate it, bring it here, and here I will write juice. Okay, so the text here looks like fresh orange juice, and I will click on layer, click on send to back. So this is the text effect which is created here, and this is the social media poster. You can design it yourself, and hope you like this tutorial. This is a simple tutorial, and this can be used for making a simple social media poster for orange juice easily in Canva. So I hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.